Hi, welcome to MachineStation. Today I have a very clean Acra AM3 mill. Nearly new condition, as you guys can tell. We have power feed on the knee, auto lube system. We have a power drawbar. Horsepower. It's a 3 horsepower motor. It was manufactured in 2007. It also has an Accurite Millpwr system, 2 axis. It's CNC on X and Y, and it has a 3 axis readout. The head is a variable frequency head. You control your RPM just with a knob. The spindle sounds impeccable. Home the Accurate system here. The Accurate system, the Millpwr does come with its operator's manual. As you can see, it's very easy to use. You can just easily load a program, load your run options. Very easy to use, very nice machine. It also has a MDNA casting, so it's a very solid casting. It's not your regular Bridgeport style. The table is a 54 by 10, so it is an extra large table. The NC system still runs very smooth. If you have any questions about this machine, you can visit our website at MachineStation.us or give us a call at 909-919-9600. Thank you guys for watching.